Okay. Okay. So now go to 2000. Okay. Now go to 3000. And now go to 4000. Okay. So you can stop now. Now just turn the turret, but just manually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yes. And then go like more. Can you go more or no? Only
I
one.
think it's like a single at a time.
Yeah. Just push and hold it.
There you go.
Yeah. That's how it goes. So now just try to go 180 or something like that.
180. So
MDI, whatever, tool number 3. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so just move back and front the yeah. Okay, back.
back.
Yes, yeah. Okay. Now, can you move the yes to the front?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one moves slowly. Oh, okay.
There's a slide.
Okay.